Okay, children, good morning. Did you do your homeworks? Yes? Okay, very good. Today, let's discuss about smallest and greatest. What we are going to study? Smallest and greatest. Smallest and greatest. Here, 1, 9. Okay, here 1. Okay, here one necklace is there. Okay, one necklace. Here in this necklace, this is number necklace. Which is the smaller number? ഈ നമ്പർ നെക്ലേസിൽ ഇതിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ചെറിയ നമ്പർ ഏതാ? Which is the smaller number? Yes, this is the smallest number bead in the necklace. അല്ലേ? Okay, 1 is the smallest number bead in this necklace. And which is the greatest number? Yes, very good. 9 is the greatest number bead. Okay. 9 is the greatest number bead in this necklace. Okay. Like that way, in your maths textbook, page number 61, some 5 necklaces are given. In the following necklaces, color the smallest number bead in red and the greatest number bead in blue. Then you have to just look this number bead necklace. You have to color the smallest number bead. The smallest number bead in red color and greatest number bead in blue color. ചെറിയ number bead red color ലും വലിയ number bead blue color ലും എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? നിങ്ങളത് കളർ കൊടുക്കുക. Okay, I know you know that smallest and biggest numbers. Then in the next page, page number 62, in the table below, compare the numbers on the left with the numbers on the top and write appropriate symbols. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ കുറച്ച് നമ്പേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Which are the numbers are given in the left side? Yes, 4, 7, 3, 8, 6. And top, on the top, which are the numbers given? 2, 5, 9, 1, 6. Okay. Like this is the box. Here we have to give 4, 2. Which is a greater one? 4 is a greater one and the smallest one is 2. And which symbol we have to give? Yes, the symbol we are give. Is it correct? No. The small 2 is a smaller one. It is not a big one. Smaller one than big one. The open mouth space goes to the greater number and the end goes to the small number. Okay. The next one 4, 5. Yes, 5 is the greatest and 4 is the smallest. Then we have to go this. Then 4, 9. Yes, 9 is the biggest one and 4 is the smallest one. 4, 1. Here 4 is the biggest one, 1 is the smallest one. 4, 6. Yes, 6 is the biggest and 4 is the smallest. Like this way you have to do these all numbers. Okay, you have to do with 7, 2, 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, 1, 7, 6. Like that way you have to give these all numbers in your textbook. That page number is page number 62. Okay, that you have to complete it and show your maths teacher. Then next we are going to do the miscellaneous practice. Which of the following shows the descending order? Descending order. What is descending order? Yes, biggest to smallest. Which one? Yes, very good. You have to take the first one, A. A is the correct one. The second one, in which of the following options numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest? ചെറുതിൽ നിന്ന് വലുതിലേക്ക് ഓർഡർ ചെയ്ത നമ്പർ പാറ്റേൺ ഏതാ? Yes, very good. C. Okay, the third one, what comes just before in each of the following? The first one, A. After 8, just before 8. Which number comes just before 8? Yes, just before 8, which number comes? 7. Then just before 5, which number comes? Yes, 4. And before 9, which number comes? 8. Before 7, which number comes? 6. The last one, before 4, which number comes? Okay, 3. Like this way you have to write. And the fourth one, what comes just after in each of the following? After 6, which number comes? Yes, 7. After 2, which number? 3. After 8, which number comes? 9. After 7, which number comes? 8. And after 1, which number comes after 1? Yes, 2. Then the fifth one, write numbers which comes between 2 and 7. Which are the numbers comes between 2 and 7? Which are the numbers comes? രണ്ടിന്റെ മെയിൻ്റെ മിഡിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാ? Yes, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers between 2 and 7. Okay. The next, then the sixth one, which collection has more circle? You have to count the circles. And which collection has more circles? Which collection? Yes, very good. C. And the seventh one, compare the following using greater than, less than or equal to. Here the sum are given. 8B 4 C 8 2, 5, 9, 8, 3, 6, 4, 1. Okay. In the first one, 7, 8. Which is the greater one? Yes, 8 is the greater. Then we have to give the symbol like this. Okay, the open mouth goes to the greater number. Okay. Then next one, 4, 4. It's having the same value. Okay, which is the symbol we have to give? Yes, equal to. Then see 8, 2. Yes, 8 is the greater than the symbol is, and 2 is the less than 8. Goes to this. Then 5, 9. Yes, 9. The open mouth we have to draw to the 9. Greater one. And here also the same symbol. 6 is the greater and 3 is the smallest. And 4, 1. The 4 is the greatest and 1 is the smallest. Then we have to draw. We have to give that symbol. Okay. Then the 8th one. Encircle the greatest number each of the following. Here some numbers are given. You have to encircle the greatest number. The numbers are the number. Okay. In this number, which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? 8, 4, 1, 6, 5. In this greatest number is? Yes, greatest number is 8. Then you have to encircle 8. And here 7, 2, 4, 9, 8. Here also which is the greatest number? Yes, 9 is the greatest number. In the next one we have to write encircle the smallest number in each of the following. And the numbers are given 3, 2, 6, 1, 5. Okay. In this case, which is the smallest number? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. And here 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. Which is the smallest number in this case? Yes, 4 is the smallest number. 4 is the smallest number. Then you have to encircle 4. I hope you all clear this. Send it. And now I am giving a homework for you. You have to prepare more numbers using the symbols. You have to write the using the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay. Or 10 numbers and this using these symbols. You have to write 10 numbers using these symbols. Okay, that is a homework for you. And today's class is over. Thank you and have a nice day.